Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to write a text as your fleet on Twitter. First, let's open Twitter, the app. Then at the top you're going to select add in the top left hand corner. Then you select text and then you can start writing your text. As you can see me doing here. After you finish writing it, you can also change the background by pressing the alignment right beside the B. You can change the alignment, and you can also change the background color right beside the two A's. If you should click in that circle right there, use your thumb and touch that circle right there, you'll change the background color. And after you're through, you can simply press fleet in the top right hand corner. As you can see, it's posting. And you can see it right there now, if I should select it. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful.